So in example 1, we were asked to find the lateral area and surface area of this right rectangular prism and eventually round to the nearest tenth, but we won't need to round in this problem. Now, above we have our equations for both lateral area and surface area. These are very general equations. They're there in the background to kind of guide you, but my big recommendation for lateral and surface area problems is to just think about each of the surfaces and add their individual areas together. In this case, we have a right rectangular prism, so we know that the opposite faces are going to be congruent to each other. So let's start with thinking about our lateral area, which we know wraps around the outside faces of the object. So in this case, we have a front face and a back face that are going to be the same. Okay? The dimensions of that are 9 by 14. So we have two of these front and back faces, and their individual areas are going to be 9 by 14. And to that, we're going to add on the right and left faces, which have dimensions of 7 by 14. So once again, multiply by 2, and then we'll multiply the 7 and 14. So we can work this all out, and we should get the total lateral area of all four faces wrapping around the outside of this right rectangular prism. So 2 times 9 times 14 gives us 252. And 7 times 14 is 98. Multiply that by 2, we get 196. So add these two values together, and we have 448. Now this is an area, so our units are squared, so square feet. We have one remaining thing to do to calculate the full surface area. We know that surface area is lateral area plus the area of the two bases. So the two bases are the top and the bottom faces. Again, bases do not have to be top and bottom, but typically that's what we think of. So the dimensions of the bases here are 9 and 7. So we'll take our previous answer for the lateral area, 448, add on two of these base areas of 9 by 7, and we'll just add these together. Take our 448 for the lateral area, add on 2 times 9 times 7, and we get a total of 574. And once again, our units are square feet.